My name's Hollie Potts. I'm a principal strategic advisor at Rego. I've been here for about 3.5 years, and I work primarily on implementation and engagement management, directing how to set up TBM offices and strategy work. I'm really looking forward to the sessions where we have a roundtable. Looking forward to the collaboration and hearing from everyone at Rego U and sharing their success stories so we can all help each other. My favorite thing about Rego U is getting to see all the people who we work with, our clients, and getting to share with them and just getting to know them on a personal level during all the events.